Outdoor grease trap monthly service. Servicing the outdoor grease trap, sometimes called an outdoor grease interceptor, includes measuring, monitoring, and treatment of the trap, which will significantly reduce odor and cut the non-mandated pumping frequency in half. Service technicians are able to monitor and provide customers with accurate information on a monthly basis. Non-mandated pumping will be determined by accurate monthly monitoring rather than a set schedule provided by the pumping company. This will avoid costly, excessive pumping. The outdoor grease trap is a large underground concrete tank. Outdoor grease traps are specifically designed to trap the inflow of grease and solids from kitchens. It then separates the inflow into 3 sections: grease, water, and solids. Since grease is lighter than water, it floats to the top and forms a grease cap. The solids sink to the bottom of the trap. The water will pass to the city sewer line. The grease cap is what will be measured, monitored, and treated. Most ordinances mandate that outdoor grease traps be pumped out either quarterly or follow the 25% rule. The rule states that when 25% of the available capacity of the trap is made up of grease, then pumping the trap is required. The percentage of grease is determined by measuring the grease cap on a monthly basis. The location of the outdoor grease trap and its capacity in gallons should be determined during the initial survey and service planning. It may be helpful to ask the manager. There are several types of outdoor traps. These traps can have 1, 2, or several manhole covers depending on the size of the trap. The covers will typically be located outside the building, close together and near the back door of the kitchen. Performing the monthly service. Remove the manhole cover of the trap that is located closest to the building. During the first service, measure the total depth of the interceptor and record it in the customer's permanent record. Measure the depth from the bottom of the trap to the top of the grease cap or waste level using a tape measure. Next, measure the thickness of the grease cap using a long-handled garden hoe with inches marked on the handle, as shown here. If there is more than one manhole, only measure the grease cap in the first manhole. Carefully insert the hoe through the surface of the liquid. Continue lowering the hoe until water comes up through the hole, indicating you have reached the bottom of the grease cap. While submerged, slide the hoe over. Slowly lift the hoe until you hit the bottom of the grease cap. Slowly remove the hoe. Measure the grease depth on the hoe and record the measurement on the service report. Once you have measured the grease cap, you will add a super aug pill. If the interceptor is 750 gallons or smaller, use 1 super aug pill. If the interceptor is over 750 gallons, use 1 super aug pill in each manhole. Crush the super aug pill in the package. Cut the package open, then pour the super aug pill into the manhole. It is very important to agitate the grease cap and water below to release trapped carbon dioxide and aerate the grease trap. If the outdoor grease trap has more than 1 manhole cover, treat each remaining manhole and aerate with the hoe. Replace the manhole cover, wipe off the equipment, and the service is completed.